In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import calls in HubSpot. Let's dive into it step by step, ensuring that you are fully equipped to handle this task with ease. First, open your browser and navigate to the HubSpot user guide at appna2.hubspot.com. This will serve as a handy reference point if you need any further assistance while following these steps. Once you're on the user guide page, locate and click on the CRM section. This section is the heartbeat of HubSpot, where you'll find the tools needed to manage your interactions with customers. After accessing the CRM section, identify and click on the Calls section. This area is dedicated to all your call records, making it a crucial spot for managing and organizing calls related to your business operations. Now that you're in the Calls section, look for the Import option. This is a critical step, as it will allow you to bring in external call logs that you want to manage through HubSpot. Once you've clicked on Import, a couple of new options will appear. Among them, you'll see Import a File. Click on this if you have a pre-prepared file containing your call data. This file method is particularly useful if you've maintained your call logs in a spreadsheet and now wish to leverage HubSpot's functionality to analyze and store this information. If your call data is stored in another application, fear not. In this case, you'll need to click on Sync from Apps. This feature enables you to pull in data directly from various third-party applications that are integrated with HubSpot. It's an efficient route if you frequently use other apps like Google or Microsoft tools. For those who are looking to transfer data from another CRM platform entirely, the Migrate Your Data option is available and is a perfect choice. This allows you to carry over vital call information from a separate CRM system into HubSpot, helping maintain continuity and ensuring you don't lose track of any past interactions with clients or colleagues. And there you have it. You've now learned how to import calls into HubSpot with these simple, straightforward steps. Each option is designed to make the transition and management of call data seamless and tailored to different needs, whether you're transferring from spreadsheets, synchronized apps, or other CRM platforms. Be sure to explore how each of these can best serve your specific requirements, and remember the importance of regularly updating and managing your call data in HubSpot to maximize your productivity and business insights. So, whether you're managing a small team or running a large organization, importing calls into HubSpot can significantly enhance your operational efficiency. Thanks for tuning in today and happy importing!